There are some key features we will discuss in this lecture. Signature-based detection, IPS, uses a database of known attack patterns or signatures to identify and block specific malicious activities. These signatures are essentially patterns or characteristics associated with known threats. Anomaly-based detection, IPS, also monitors network traffic for abnormal behavior or deviations from established baselines. If it detects activities that deviate from the norm, it may flag them as potential threats and take preventive measures. Behavioral analysis. Some IPS solutions use behavioral analysis to identify patterns of behavior that may indicate an attack. By understanding normal behavior, the system can detect and prevent abnormal or malicious actions. Real-time blocking. When a potential threat is identified, an IPS can take immediate action to block or prevent the malicious activity. This may involve blocking specific IP addresses, dropping malicious packets, or taking other measures to stop the threat. Logging and reporting. IPS systems typically log information about detected threats and their sources. This data is valuable for analysis. Compliance reporting and understanding the nature of the attacks. Integration with other security tools. IPS is often integrated into broader security architectures, working alongside other security tools such as firewalls, antivirus software, and security information and event management systems to provide comprehensive protection. Intrusion prevention systems plays a crucial role in enhancing network security by preventing unauthorized access, protecting against malware, and mitigating other potential threats. It is commonly used in enterprise environments, data centers, and various network infrastructures to safeguard against a wide range of cyber threats.